Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Coinbase crypto loans. This feature lets you borrow USDC by using your Bitcoin or Ethereum as collateral. To get started, open Coinbase, go to Borrow under the Transact menu and select New Loan. If you don't see this option, it's likely not available in your country. Choose how much USDC you want to borrow and decide on your loan. To value LTV ratio. A lower LTV is safer because if your collateral loses value and your LTV reaches 86%, Coinbase may automatically liquidate your crypto to repay the loan. The loan comes with a variable interest rate, so your APR can change over time. After reviewing the details, confirm the loan and the USDC will be added to your Coinbase account. You can spend, swap, or withdraw it as you like, while your crypto remains locked as collateral. When you're ready to repay the loan, simply use USDC to pay back the balance and your collateral will be released back to your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.